Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most nutritious foods enjoyed in many countries around the world. Buckwheat. Simple, natural, nutritious. Despite its name, buckwheat is not actually wheat. It is a seed that has been used for centuries in traditional diets. Many people enjoy buckwheat because it is filling, affordable, easy to prepare. But buckwheat offers much more than convenience. Let's begin with fiber. Buckwheat is rich in fiber. Fiber supports digestion. A healthy digestive system helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. This is one reason buckwheat is often included in balanced nutrition plans. Another important benefit is energy. Buckwheat contains complex carbohydrates. Unlike highly processed foods, complex carbohydrates release energy gradually. This may help support stable energy throughout the day. Then comes heart health. Buckwheat contains beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients support normal cardiovascular function. A healthy heart plays an important role in overall wellness. Another important area is blood circulation. Buckwheat contains minerals that support healthy blood vessel function. Good circulation helps transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Now let's talk about protein. Buckwheat contains plant-based protein. Protein supports muscles. Your body uses protein every day for growth, repair, and maintenance. Another important benefit is magnesium. Buckwheat contains magnesium, an essential mineral involved in hundreds of body functions. Magnesium supports muscles, nerves, and overall wellness. Then comes brain health. Your brain needs a steady supply of nutrients for focus and concentration. A balanced diet that includes nutrient-rich foods, such as buckwheat, may help support daily mental performance. Another advantage is weight balance. Buckwheat is filling. Many people feel satisfied after eating a moderate portion. This may help reduce unnecessary snacking during the day. Now let's discuss antioxidants. Buckwheat contains natural antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports healthy aging and long-term wellness. Another interesting fact is that buckwheat is naturally gluten-free. Many people choose buckwheat as an alternative grain in their diet. It can be used in porridge, soups, salads, and many healthy recipes. But here is the truth. No single food can provide everything your body needs. Health comes from balance. Fruits matter. Vegetables matter. Protein matters. Sleep matters. Physical activity matters. Now here is the key message. Buckwheat is a simple food with impressive nutritional value. It may support digestion, heart health, energy, brain function, and daily wellness. Small healthy choices repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,